Prinoklama na ang 12 bagong halal na mga senador ng Pilipinas na magiging bahagi ng 20th Congress.
11 sa kanila ang personal na dumalo sa proklamasyon.
At ng proklamasyon ng 12 senador na hinirang na panalo sa eleksyon 2025. Huwebes natapos yung canvassing ng 175 Certificates of Canvass o COCs. Kaya sabi ng COMELEC o Commission on Elections ay ito na raw yung pinakamabilis na canvassing at pinakamaagap na proklamasyon sa kasaysayan. Lahat sila ay nangakong magtatrabahong maigi sa Senado para maisakatuparan ang kanilang mandato at para maipasa ang mga batas sa mga nagwagi ngayong eleksyon 2025. 5 ang re-electionists, 4 ang bumabalik sa Senado at 3 ang mga bagitong senador. Isa-isa silang tinawag sa entablado base sa kabuuang bilang ng nakuha nilang boto. Ang order mula sa number 12 hanggang number 1 o yung nakakuha ng pinakamaraming boto. 11 out of 12 na senators-elect ang dumalo sa proklamasyon. Sininoklama ang 12 senators-elect ng Commission on Elections na umuupo bilang National Board of Canvassers.
Maria Imelda Romualdez Marcos. Thank you very much, Senator Marcos. Now, may we request Commissioner Nelson J. Celis to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Manuel Mercado Lapid. Thank you very much. May we request Commissioner Ray E. Bulay to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Camille Aguilar Villar. Thank you very much, Senator Villar. May we request Commissioner Maria Norina Estang Rocasingal to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Pilar Juliana Shram Cayetano. May we request Commissioner Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr. to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Vicente Castelo Soto III. May we request the family and friends of Senator Soto. Thank you very much, Senator Soto. May we request Chairman George Erwin M. Garcia to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Panfilo Morena Lacson. May we request very much Senator Lacson. May we request Chairman George Erwin M. Garcia to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Rodante Dizon Marcoleta. May we request the family and friends of Senator Marcoleta to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. Thank you very much. May we request Commissioner Maria Norina Estang Rocasingal to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Francis Pancratius Nepomuceno Pangilinan. Thank you very much. May we request Commissioner Amy P. Ferolino to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Erwin Tesiba Tulfo. May we request the family and friends of Senator... Thank you very much, Senator Tulfo. May we request Commissioner Ray E. Bulay to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Ronald Marapon de la Rosa. May we request the family and friends of Senator De La Rosa. Thank you very much, Senator De La Rosa. Now, may we request Commissioner Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr. to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Paulo Benigno Aguirre Aquino IV. Now, may we request... Thank you very much, Senator Aquino. May we request Commissioner Amy P. Ferolino to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Christopher Lawrence Tesoro Go. May we request the family and friends of Senator Go to come up the stage for a photo opportunity.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong tiwala at suporta. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang mga Pilipino.
Samantala, Ivan Pia, ibinida naman ni COMELEC Chairman George Erwin Garcia ang matagumpay na eleksyon 2025 dahil sa mabilis na canvassing at walang presintong nagdeklara ng failure of elections. Pero nakakalungkot daw ang mga ulat ng vote buying kaya sa harap ng mga bagong halal na senador. Sinabi ni Garcia ang pagnanais na maripaso ang mga batas para mas mapigilan ang vote buying at ang pre-election campaigning. Dapat din daw ay magkaroon ng mga mataas na benepisyo para sa mga guro at tumutulong na maisakatuparan ang eleksyon.